Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to recover your eBay account. Firstly, open eBay application on your device and then go to My eBay section at the bottom side of the screen. Scroll down until you see Settings section, and here open Sign In and Security, and then tap Change Password button. So here you can choose how you can get a verification code by email or text message, depending on what is connected to your account. For example, it's comfortable to me to receive an email, and now eBay will send you a verification code that you should type here. Let's wait. Okay, here it is. Of course, do not enter this code because you will get something else. And then click Continue button. And once you verify the code, eBay will let you create a new password. Pick a strong password. It should be something unique with different letters, numbers, and special characters, symbols, and then when you're done, click this Continue button. But if you have some problems still and you cannot change your password, press this Contact Support button and describe your problem right here, or you can read some articles here. But if you still cannot recover your password, go to Help and Contact Center. Here again, My eBay, and here you see Help section. So this is Help and Contact Center, and then search in the searching field, Recover Account. And tap Contact Us button. But of course you can scroll to the very down until you see this button, Contact Us, and here describe your problem. So just simply follow all the steps, and once you're back to your account, go again to the Settings, tap Sign In and Security, and update your contact details to make sure you don't lose access to your account again. So that's how you can recover your eBay account. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.